La 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 la.
What's that sound? Oh, I know what it is. That's someone snoring. People snore sometimes when they're asleep. That's a whistly kind of weird sound that, yeah, that's what that guy's doing. See? Snoring. What's that sound? Ah, it's crickets. I hear crickets at nighttime sometimes. Little chirp, chirp, chirp. And then you can hear a bunch of them sometimes. Chirp, chirp, chirp. And then there's like 10 of them or 100. Chirp, chirp, chirp. It's getting louder. Crickets! What is that sound? That's some sleepy music. Oh, it's really relaxing. Kind of makes me, I don't know. Oh, it's such good music, but it's really putting me to sleep.
Really? Sleepy music? Sleepy music? I'm so tired and you guys are playing sleepy music. Oh man, sleepy music.